back to this closet, everyone. If you are new, thank you for joining us today, and if you are returning, thank you for sticking around. I am bringing you guys a weight loss series. So we are talking weights, all the insecurities. We're bringing a series just about that, because what happened is from September 2018 I've been going through a bit of transformation, as I have lost about 13 kgs and I'm still continuing and pushing. So I want to share with you guys how I did it, because I didn't document it at the time on my Instagram or Facebook. So let's get into it. What caused me to gain weight in the first place? What caused me to gain weight was emotional eating. I'm an emotional eater. Literally, I eat for every mood. So I'm sad, I would eat. I am angry, I eat. I'm stressed, I eat. And depending on how I'm feeling, I would eat from snacks to takeaways to chocolate to sweets. I would drink coffee and tea with a lot of sugar. I'd have cold drinks instead of water. So those things, they added up and I started gaining a lot of weight from just beginning of 2017 all the way till September 2018. I gained about 13 kgs because I was 78. Did I decide to lose weight? I decided to lose weight on the September 14th, 2018. It was just one of those days where I was feeling sluggish and tired and I didn't understand what was going on. So I was like, let me think about it. And then I asked a friend of mine, shout out to Zanele Mjali. I asked her, I was like, girl, take me pictures. I just wanna, maybe they'll up my mood. You know how sometimes one selfie a day can just up your mood. And then I took the pictures. I was like, this is not the Zanele I know. This is not the Z I know, and I need to do something about it. That's when I decided I want to lose weight. I needed to change my lifestyle. I needed to find healthy ways of eating and enjoying my food instead of just eating everything and saying, no, I'm just happy with the way I am, which is not true. I feel losing weight is not just for the fact that you want to look good. You're also doing it for your own health reasons and just to feel energized. How much did I weigh when I started? I weighed 78 kgs. How did I lose weight without dieting? It's all about your mentality. Hence the title say losing weight without dieting, or without going on a yo-yo diet. It's all about mentality, guys. You have to be mentally strong. You have to be mentally prepared for the weight loss journey, for the ups and downs that you're gonna have to go through, for the tiredness, for the lack of motivation. You have to push yourself through those times and those trials, because I've realized over the time of losing and gaining weight that the only problem I had was with my willpower. I didn't have the willpower to stick it through. I didn't have the willpower to stick it through even if when I see results. I didn't have the willpower to stick it through when I'm tired, because not all days are going to be the same. One day you're tired, the next day your schedule is messed up by something else, something comes up, you have to go somewhere, priorities change, things happen. The willpower to stick it through from day one till the last day, even on the last day, to make sure that this is a lifestyle. It has no ending. That's why I'm saying the word diet, I don't like it, because it just puts that thing of, I'm doing it for now, I'm doing it for this term. When I get to my eating plan, you're saying you're gonna eat for this long, eat healthy for this long, and then after that you're going back to how you used to eat, which is not good, because it will put you right back to where you started. So cut the word diet. Say you're changing your lifestyle, you're living a new lifestyle, and make sure that when you plan your meals, it's of changing your lifestyle. You are not dieting, because I want you to build up a plan that you can stick with it for a longer time. That's why I don't like shakes and all those things, but we'll get into that some other time. So I would say willpower over eating healthy and exercising, you need to first build up your mental health and your mental strength to be able to stick through your diet. Why not join gym? The reason why I wouldn't advise you to join gym or sign up for gym, first of all, you're wasting a whole lot of money. You are wasting a whole lot of money on a gym membership, because most of the time, all these workouts that you're doing at gym or that you can be able to do at home, you're doing them at gym. You're going all the way. Imagine you're driving all the way to gym to do squats, the same squats in the same position that you would do them at home. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Yes, sometimes you say we want to do it because the gymming with other people motivates you. That's where willpower comes in. If you have enough willpower and enough mental strength, you can do this by yourself. You don't need a whole gym and people around you to motivate you. You will motivate yourself enough. So I will get in more details on that, how to exercise without going to gym or signing up for membership, because I really think I did it. If I can do it without signing up for gym or going to gym, you can also do it. Why am I against shakes and New Year diets? They're expensive, you're wasting money, you won't stick it through for a lifetime, and some of them don't even work. You understand? They're expensive. If you're going to spend about 400 Rand on a shake every month, you can do so much more with that 400 bucks. How many jeans can you get at Mr. Price for that 400 bucks? If you have debts, how much can you pay off with that 400 bucks? If you have responsibilities, you can put that 400 bucks into something very useful and beneficial for you. So I wouldn't advise against shakes. In terms of you lasting in your diet with a shake, it's not practical to use shakes, because using shakes, most of the shakes are supplements of what you can have naturally. And going on a diet using a shake, how long are you gonna maintain it? You can't drink a shake forever. You can't depend on a shake forever. And that's why through my weight loss journey, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to lose weight without using all these shakes, without going on a yo-yo dieting, because it never works. You can't go on a cabbage soup diet. For how long are you gonna eat a cabbage soup? For how long are you gonna eat only a green salad? It's not practical, it's not effective, and it actually affects your metabolism instead of improving your metabolism. So through the series, I'll be telling you guys more on how to actually lose weight without using all these methods. What advice do I have for people who want to get on this journey? Prepare yourself mentally. Be willing to change your ways of eating. Be willing to change your ideas around eating, around exercising, and around your mental strength. Change your ideas. Build new ideas. Be willing to adapt to new changes, because that will result in you actually losing weight, maintaining it, getting better, getting fitter, because that's what I've learned through following other people who are also into fitness, through eating healthy, and through watching a lot of interviews and a lot of shows where people were going through a weight loss journey. Have the willpower. Once you have the willpower, the rest of the things are gonna fall into place, and stop wasting money on gym membership and New Year dieting. To ensure that you don't miss out on my weight loss series, I would advise that you subscribe to Z's Closet and watch out for my videos. Click that bell so that you don't miss the next video. I'm doing a lot with regards to this weight loss series because I know the struggles. I know how many times I've tried to lose weight and failing. I've tried it all, and I'm gonna share with you guys how to do it, how to stick to it, and how to do even better once you get to your goal weight. So thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what your struggles are. Tell me what you've been through, and I will share some of your stories on my next video. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I love you guys.